this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new page and add it to your site's menu. Now, every Life Coach Sites Made Easy template comes with a handful of pages, but maybe you need something new, something else. If you use this Add New button here, or this one here, you'll get a almost completely blank page. And if that's what you want, then great. But only do this if you really want to start from scratch. Usually when you create a new web page, you want it to match the rest of your website so that you have consistent branding everywhere. But you don't want to have to redo all the design work from scratch. So here's what you do. We'll choose an existing page and duplicate it so that you have the common design elements already on that page. Instead of recreating everything from scratch, it's much easier to just change existing design elements and just delete everything else that's not needed. So here we are on the pages list. We got here by clicking the pages link, and I'm going to scroll down and choose the services page, opening the page builder. I'm going to use the services page as a starting point to create a new page for coaching packages. Once the page builder is open, you're going to open the menu here, and you're going to choose duplicate layout. When you duplicate a page in the page builder, it'll create a new page and take you to the default block editor. The block editor is great for blog posts, but for something like web pages, the page builder is better suited for the job. So we'll just dismiss this. And while we're here, we will change the title. So instead of copy of services, let's change this to coaching packages, which is what it will be. And we also want to change the link. So click the permalink button here, and you can see the link or the URL, the URL slug, is the last part of the URL. So it'll be yourdomainname.com / whatever is here. So instead of services copy, we're going to make this coaching packages. Now we're ready to launch the page builder. So I click this, I can see that it's saving the changes I just made to the title and the URL slug, and it's going to launch the page builder for me. So I can see I'm on the coaching packages page now. Up there shows the title, but I still have the design from the previous page. And right away, we're already benefiting from this because most websites, including our templates, have a common header on every page across the site, again for consistent branding. And here we are on a new page, and we don't have to recreate this header from scratch. All we have to do is click the title, click the header, and we can change the title of the page. Change this heading to coaching packages. So I clicked on it, changed the text right in the visual builder. I could have also clicked over here and changed the heading in this control box off to the side. If your template has the same background in every header, then you don't need to change the background. But if you have a different background on every page, then you can change that by clicking the row settings here and scrolling down to the background photo section and click edit to change the photo. For more details on adding or changing photos, please view the Adding Photos Quick Start video. So I'll make a couple other changes on this quickly here to show you how I can take an existing page and turn it into something new. We've already changed the heading here. Maybe on this page we don't need the button, so we'll just remove whatever we don't need. We don't need that. We have some existing text here already styled and already has icons there. If you need those, awesome. If you don't, then you just change the text. Much easier to change something than to recreate it from scratch, as I said. So you can remove an individual module by hovering over it and clicking the X to remove, confirm, or you can remove an entire row by going to the top left-hand corner and clicking remove. And there goes that entire row. So scrolling down, here's another example of text that can be changed easily. This previously was for personal coaching, corporate coaching, and seminars coaching. Now that this is a coaching packages page, maybe instead of just talking about these services in general, maybe I'll list 3 specific types of packages that you offer. And the last thing I'll show here in the page builder is another way that you can save time when creating a new page or even while editing an existing page, and that's by using saved modules. Saved modules can be found over here. In the fourth tab here, click Saved, and you can see saved rows, such as the main header for pages, saved columns, and saved modules or blocks, such as this one here called Social Media Icons. Depending on the template that you have, you'll have different saved modules. And if you have a module that you think would be very useful for you and it's not there, please just let me know and I'll help set that up for you. So here we have social media icons. I'm going to click and drag it and actually take it down here to the bottom. Put it here. And we'll notice that it says global. It has a little, well, go back to the saved. It has global right beside it here. And also when I'm editing it, you see the border is yellow and there also it says global. So what global means is that global blocks can be added to multiple pages and edited in one place. This is very handy for something like this, where every time you link to your social media, it's going to be the same link. Well, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram will be unique, but every page that those links are on, those links are going to be the same. So you don't want to have to edit them on every page. Just do it in one place by using a saved module like this. You'll notice here that I accidentally dropped it above, so I'm just going to use these arrows. I'm going to drag it down below to where I wanted it. There we go. And as always, when you're finished, remember to click the blue button and publish. When we first duplicated the page, we were able to change the title and the URL slug before launching the page builder. But if you forget to do that, or you have another page that you want to change it for, here's an alternate way to change the title and the URL slug. Come to your list of pages, come down to the page that you want to change, and click Quick Edit. This will open up a little part of the page right in here where you can change the title and the slug. And when you're finished, click Update. And as an aside, this is where you go if you want to change the status of a page from published to draft. You can also set it to be private. So we've just finished creating a new page. If this is the kind of page that you want people to visit only if they have the link for it, then you don't need it to add it to the menu. For example, if it's a page that you share the link to on social media or it's in an email that you send out, then it's not necessarily going to be one that's in your site's menu. But for main pages that you want anybody who visits your site to see, then you need to add the new page to the menu. If you watched the earlier Quick Start tutorial, there was a video just all about menu settings, and in that I showed you how to use the Visual Customizer to edit the menu. In this video, since I'm not already in the Visual Customizer, I'm going to show you the other way of getting to the same settings. That is by scrolling down here under Settings and clicking on Menus. Here we'll be showing our main menu, or primary menu looks like this one's called. We've got our sections here, but we're missing our new page. On the left, you've got different categories that you can add, and we're going to choose a page, select the new page that we made, and click Add to Menu. There it is, and I don't want it to be at the end, I want it to be higher up, so I'm going to click and drag it, and I'm going to put it right here. Always remember to save your changes, and when that's done, your new page will be created, public on your site, and clickable in the menu. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any troubles with this, just contact me, I'd be happy to help. And be sure to watch the rest of the Quick Start videos.